to you by Maybelline New York. Maybe she's born with it, maybe it's Maybelline.
East LA is the biggest concentration of Mexican population in Los Angeles. We are a working community, it's family oriented, it's a clean environment. It has a little bit of a negative reputation, but in reality, East LA, it's the place to be right now.
East LA, which is my hometown, it's so colorful. Community here is essential to the look and feel of East LA.
More than a nation, I think we're indigenous people. We're natives to this land of Semanahuac, what is called the Americas. And what I feature is textiles from the four corners. We have South American, we have Central American, we have Mexican, and we have North American.
I move around a lot on the west side, and you actually get to see pretty much everything the same. But here, as soon as you walk, like for example this store, everything is so unique. You can see that everything has a story, has a background, that every piece was meant to be that way, and they put so much effort and love on them. When
people from other parts of LA come here, they are surprised that there is such a thing like our boutique in East LA. Then the second question is usually, why are you in East LA? Why are you not in Melrose? Why are you not in Venice, where this would probably be more I guess profitable? And the answer is usually that my store, I want my people to enjoy this. I don't want it to make it exclusive to a certain part of town when the people that I care about it's here, and I want them to feel to come in and see that we can actually rock these outfits without feeling ourselves, I don't know, weird about doing it.
We're artists, we're intellectuals, we read, we go to school, we have educations. So, this is second nature for us. People are always being creative with their space, and that's the beauty about East LA.
We're not going to limit fashion to just A people because it has indigenous roots. I want my people to wear them because of those ties. But if anybody else wants to come and they want to own a unique piece of Mexican chic couture, they can come and visit us.
I just feel like I'm home, when I see people buying their tacos in the street, or just the young people and the old people are out there roaming. It's home, it's safe, and that's where our little shop is.